Hi everyone, Gunpla here. Thank you for joining me today, and today we're gonna do something different. We're gonna open this package, and this package was ordered from Masamune Studio. So I just received this today, and we're gonna open it. So this is the Lightning Gundam, and these are some mixing bottles. So I think I ordered 9 of these. So this is a black glue. And I ordered some bunch of paints. So all of these are lacquer paints. So these are clear coats. Some are orange, gray, whites, yellows, grays, and orange. And here I ordered some option parts and decals, as well as some masking tape. So I ordered the thinnest masking tape that they have, and more decals, and veneers, another option parts. And then I've ordered some edge parts. So these are metal edge parts. And then some mixing balls. So I'm gonna put this inside the mixing bottles so that it's easier to agitate the paints inside. So that's everything inside the box that I ordered. So again, that's the Lightning Gundam, and we have the decals here, and then we have the masking tapes, option parts, we have the mixing balls, then we have the paints, the glues, or the glue rather, and then the mixing bottles, and then some etched parts. In line with all of this, there's one good news that I'm about to share. So Masamune Studio is now our sponsor. So if you could check out their website, just go to msmnstudio.com. They have a wide selection of model kits, tools, and many more. So just visit their website. And I'm also gonna put the link in the description. And lastly, this is going to be the premiere of my new video intro. Again, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Here's my new intro.